Hello, I wanted to send a brief video talking about our daily bell ringer in the week 6.4. We're going to see something kind of different. I picked up this book that I really love. It's by Pam Harris, and these are some student workouts for addition. In this front matter or the overview, they have clarifying questions, scaffolding questions, class discussions. All of this will help you go ahead and implement questionings for your planning. In workout one, it's where we're introducing strategies. So in the overview material, it lets you know what different strategies are called: place value splitting. Um, I call this one adding a friendly number or jumping by a friendly number. And when you add too much of a friendly number, I call that the over method, and you'll see that written in here often as well. And then this is where you're just adding a friendly number, and it's called giving and taking, where you give to a smaller number to get to that larger one. Of course, we know the splitting model, open number line, we have horizontal equations, and then we also have our vertical equations. There's more models here for fractions that we'll get to that. It tells you about the progression. We are going to be working through workouts 1 through 20 in the last 3 weeks of school. And so here's an example of what workout one is. And in workout one, it gives us a problem here, and it tells us that 5 students did this problem differently. Analyze and describe each strategy. Well, when you initially put this out here, the kids are going to look at it and be like, I don't know what kind of description you want. And so that's where the sample dialogue will come in helpful for you. Now that you've had a chance to look at this, what's the question actually asking? How much did it cost? Yes. And so now we have to analyze and describe them. And this will tell you, now that you're finished, let's discuss thinking. Describe the student A's strategy. By having students describe the strategy to each other, the class can build up a common vocabulary. So oftentimes, um, it's this vocabulary that helps you think about, or it's the first parts that students say, oh, well, they added 3 to get to 50. Well, very good. So that's where they're adding to get to a friendly number. And so I've also included the answer key to this. The answer key is linked here in the instructional guides so that you can see, in addition to having the exercises there. We have the answers, the student dialogue for how to conduct these numeracy workouts. Um, and so I hope that you all have a great time in your class in the last couple of weeks of school and help the students build up numeracy pathways and strategies. Thank you.